ELA. We're just going to go over the rules and the expectations before we start. We're going to remember to be respectful, stay in your seat, raise your hands when you have something to say. And then we're going to go, if you need to use the bathroom, get a pencil, water, tissues, question. You are going to do one of these hand signals that are also over there on the board. During our lesson, you guys are going to turn and talk a lot. So when I say class, class, you guys are going to respond with yes, yes. Could we try it? Class, class.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Okay. So now we're going to turn and talk to each other about the question. This morning I spilled orange juice all over my homework. What do you think happened next after I spilled juice all over my homework? What was the effect? What do you think happened after I was eating my breakfast and I spilled my orange juice all over my homework? You guys can turn and talk, and then we're going to come back.
Well, I know orange juice is sticky.
Yeah. Probably had to change it gold.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I love how great the points you guys are making are, and you're talking. I love, after we watched the video, what
returning and
did we see? Did we see anybody want to raise their hand to share what the cause or the effect was?
I saw the big bird sound on the wires gets a lot bigger than the other smaller stories.
Yeah, the big bird sat on the wire, so
and your teacher
we
isn't
know
going
what
to be
the
happy if you
effect
don't
is.
turn in your homework.
Yes. So today you're going to learn how to find cause and effect in stories. I will be able to identify cause and effect. I can identify and explain cause and effect in a video and use that to complete a worksheet. So here we have the slide we're going to go to next, and this is the worksheet we're going to work on after to make sure that we understand what cause and effect is. So good readers ask what happened and why it happened. Cause is the why. The cause is the reason something happened. So if you guys want to repeat after me, the cause is the why.
Is the why.
The cause is the reason something happens.
The cause is the reason something happens.
And then the effect is the what. The effect is the result of what happens. So if you guys want to repeat again. Effect, the what? The effect is the result of what happens. Good job, guys. Because the sun is out and it is hot, so is the popsicle melted. So our cause is that the sun was so hot that our effect, the popsicle melted.
Kind of dropped down a little bit.
So now we're going to practice some cause and effect together.
And that would be the cause
So the
or the
cause
effect.
is the because of this. So I'm going to do number one, and then what do we think the rest? I studied hard for my math test. I got an A on my math test. So our cause is that you studied, and the effect is that you got an A because of this, and the result of this.
all the way up.
Does anybody want to do number two?
Go to the next slide.
You guys had some great points. So the cause, because of this, and the effect is the result. What do you think in the
the
video
effect
we saw that because the big bird sat on the wire, like we saw when we watched the video, the wire drooped down. And then when the wire drooped down, because the wire drooped down,
off, so
the big bird fell off the wire. So we have two different causes and effects that we saw in the video. Does anybody have any questions that they need to ask? What do you think the cause was? We have the effect. Thumbs up. Okay, so now it's going to be your turn. You're going to write your own cause and effect exit ticket. If you're finished early, you can write your own cause and effect on the back of the didn't get enough sleep, so you fell asleep at school. I stayed up all night on a school night watching YouTube. I fell asleep at school. And then sometimes we could have a cause and effect, and they could be different. So Gabby said that she stayed up all night, and that could be the cause, or that she stayed up watching and the
TV
what.
or
And I'm going to give you many different causes and effects. Does anybody want to do number 4? Dominique. So after we watched the video, what did we see? Did we see any causes and effects from the
birds
or
would
anybody
anybody
like
like to raise their hand?
I fell while playing soccer outside, so Devin gave us another example of how we could have the same effect or and a different cause. Yeah, the big bird sat on the wire, so do we know what the effect is?
Now we're gonna watch the video.
Yes.
And we're gonna pause when we see
The little birds are going to go flying up in the air because the big bird was so heavy.
Yeah, let's see what happens. So after we watched the video, what did we see? Did we see any causes and effects from the birds? Would anybody like to raise their hand? Dominique.
Well, I saw the big bird sat on the wire. It looks a lot bigger than the other smaller birds.
Yeah, the big bird sat on the wire, so do we know what the effect is? Yes.
The little birds are going to go flying up in the air because the big bird was so heavy.
Yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, did we see any causes and effects in that part of the video? Dominique.
Well, I saw the big bird kind of dropped down a little bit. Like he kind of fell off the wire a little bit.
And that would be the cause or the effect?
I think the cause.
Okay, and what do we think the effect was? Did anybody have any ideas? Kim?
Then the little birds were so light, when the big bird fell down, the little birds went all the way up.
They went all the way up. Well, let's see. Let's go to the next slide. You guys had some great points. So the cause, because of this, and the effect is the result. So in the video, we saw that because the big bird sat on the wire, like we saw when we watched the video, the wire drooped down. And then when the wire drooped down, because the wire drooped down, the big bird fell off the wire. So we have two different causes and effects that we saw in the video. Does anybody have any questions that they need to ask before we move on, or everyone's good? You could give me a thumbs up. Thanks. Okay, so now it's going to be your turn. You're going to write your own cause and effect exit ticket. If you're finished early, you can write your own cause and effect on the back of the exit ticket. So I have the worksheet that we saw in the beginning of the lesson, and then I'm going to hand it out, and you guys are going to have 5 minutes to work quietly on your own cause and effect. And up here we have the definition of cause and the why, and the effect and the what, and I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes to